Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook snow crab legs in the oven. Get ready to enjoy a delicious seafood meal with minimal effort. First, make sure your snow crab legs are thawed. You can do this by placing them in the refrigerator overnight or by running them under cold water. Then, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple preparation ensures your crab legs cook perfectly and are ready for a fantastic dining experience. Now, let's add some amazing flavor to your crab legs. You'll want to brush them lightly with melted butter or a little olive oil. This helps keep them moist and tender while baking. Next, sprinkle on your favorite seasonings. Garlic powder, Old Bay, or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice work wonderfully. Finally, wrap each cluster tightly in aluminum foil. This creates a steaming effect in the oven, locking in all that delicious moisture and flavor. With your crab legs seasoned and wrapped, it's time to bake them to perfection. Carefully place the foil-wrapped crab legs onto a baking sheet. Slide them into your preheated oven. They only need to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. The goal is to heat them through, not to cook them further, as they are typically pre-cooked. You'll know they're ready when they are piping hot and fragrant, ensuring a delightful meal. Once your snow crab legs are perfectly heated, carefully remove them from the oven. Be cautious when unwrapping the foil, as steam will escape. Now comes the best part: serving. Arrange your hot, tender crab legs on a platter. They are absolutely delicious served with extra melted butter for dipping, fresh lemon wedges, or your favorite seafood sauce. Get ready to savor every succulent bite of this easy and impressive dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.